Nandito po kami sa amin na nagiinuman. Ito po si B, the Addict Man, Peter, the Frozen Throne, and then the Tony Boy. Yan po talaga mga ano lang kami, mga kasinggero na mga witness sa pagmamachi na walang halong. So, okay, here comes Charles the Bodybuilder Man. Si Charles po, mawawala, mapapalitan ni Secret. After na nung show, tsaka natin makikita. Okay, 5, hey! Naman na ka. 5, Hoy, come on! 3, game!
2, 1.
Si Charles po, mapapalitan ni the extra man, you know. But the real name is Alvin Pagulayan. You know how comes Pagulayan? Because ginugulay ko lang yan. Ginugulay ko lang, sinusuntok ko lang. Okay, gonna be like that, like, gonna be like that. Oh, Charles, go first. How come? Wait. Susuot. Ay, mali pala. Susuot pala si extra man, magiging si Boneless Man. You know, Boneless Man. Okay, here's Charles, the props man. And gonna be the muscle boy, the extra man. Magsusot lang po siya ng damit, mapapalitan na ni Boneless Man. Okay, come on. Okay, let's start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue. Oy, shit. Where's the extra man? Show me. Holy shit. The extra man becomes the Boneless Man. Holy shit, how come? Look at the body. The body of the Boneless Man. There's no bone, you know. There's no bone. And here comes the cameraman. The cameraman.